Hey folks, another hot one in the valley today. Middle of August, it's supposed to be hot, and it is hot. 100 McAllen right now, same thing in Edinburgh. Back to the west, 102 in Rio Grande City. As you go eastward, it's a little cooler but more humid. 94 in Brownsville, 91 in Port Isabel, 95 Harlingen, Raymondville. Here in the mid-valley, temperatures in the mid-90s as well. Overnight tonight, no cooler than the upper 70s and low 80s. A lot of the valley won't get below that 80-degree mark. And then tomorrow afternoon, pretty much back where we were this afternoon, 100 plus across Hidalgo and Starr counties, close to that up and down the I-69E corridor, and then at the island only about 86. But again, the humidity tends to make up for those cooler temperatures. 97's the normal. We're kind of peaking with that 97 as the average, and we're going to be above that the next 2 days. But by the end of the forecast period, 7 days down the road, we should be pretty close to the seasonal norm just because of an added chance for showers. Now today, if you watch real closely, you can see a little shower show up right up in here. There's some over there during the course of the afternoon, but very spotty. And I think tomorrow probably about the same, maybe even less activity tomorrow, but still a pretty quiet day. There you see spotty stuff trying to pop up during the daytime. We do it again Wednesday. A lot of clouds, perhaps early in the day, an isolated shower. Now, this model says Thursday gets pretty active. I think it will be more active than tomorrow and Wednesday, but maybe not quite like this, but at least the chance of rain does start to go up. We're mainly dry, so about a 10% probability tomorrow and Wednesday, about a 20% chance on Thursday. That holds for Friday as well. Then Saturday, Sunday, we go up another notch, 30% or so for the weekend. Big picture of Texas, it's hot statewide, and it's mainly dry across the state. You see scattered showers in the Panhandle, isolated stuff in southeast Texas, but that's about it. Hey, look at the northern Gulf. It's filling up with moisture, but most of it's going to stay in the northern Gulf. We're also keeping an eye on the Caribbean. While we don't expect any development down here, some of this moisture is likely to kind of caught up in the flow over the next few days and could push into our region, giving us that increased chance for a couple of showers. There's tomorrow. Highs still controlling things, but it does eventually begin to back to the west. That allows the sea breeze to come to life Wednesday, and perhaps again Thursday, maybe a better chance Thursday. Look at all that tropical moisture coming in. Now the model's at odds about where all this tropical moisture ends up. Some of it comes in here, gives us that increased chance for a couple of showers, but a lot of it goes straight northward up into Louisiana, giving them a better chance for rain over the next few days. It's this wave right here. You can see it's kind of a big circular pattern, but part of it's over in the Pacific Ocean, kind of a big gyre going around right there, but some of that moisture comes our way. More of it stays down in the Pacific. As far as the Atlantic goes, it is about as quiet as it can be. Got a couple pretty good waves coming off of Africa right now. Those bear watch will do that, but right now, not much doing on the Atlantic side. At the coast, here's what's doing. We've got winds out of the southeast, relatively light, moderate chop on the bay. UV's extreme. No advisories right now with a moderate risk of rip currents. So your first 1.5 AccuWeather with a forecast for tonight, 80 for a low, mainly clear skies. Then tomorrow, back up to 100 again, partly sunny, hot and breezy yet another day. Southeast winds about 10 to 20. As we go through the next 7 days, notice we take temperatures down just a little bit at a time, and we bring that chance of rain in just a little bit at a time. I think by the time you get to about Monday, you're looking at about a 40% probability, but that probability just slowly ramps up to about 30% over the weekend, and that helps keep temperatures down just a notch or two. That's your updated First 1.5 AccuWeather forecast.